right, so you are welcome back to the channel. Today we are unpacking some of the benefits of trading options, even when the stock market is crashing. The stock market moves in directions that traders are usually unable to predict, but as an options trader, you move along wherever the direction goes, depending on your strategy well executed.
To start, income streams, they start to flow. From determination they grow.
So when you master options trading, you are able to navigate the market even when there is a major stock market crash. Why do I say that? Because we know very well that when you trade in options, you can buy your options and make money whilst the stock market is going up, and you can do the same when market is going down. And that is why it is very important for us to master the game of options trading, because for me, it is options all the way. Why? Because of this particular advantage. We don't want to sit at a time when we cannot predict the movement of market is running down, and we want to buy up. We are investing in shares, and we are investing in instruments that we are anticipating a price rise. But here is an instance where the stock market is crashing down, and it's like we are all having a bloodbath. You just cannot sit aloof and then watch the stock market crash down without making money. It is the reason that some of us have chosen to do options, because options gives you an option to still make money whether price is going up or price is going down. And that is why we need to understand this game very well. I know that it takes time for us to learn, but then it is better to learn some of these, strategies and know so well that you can execute your strategy to make money in any condition of the markets. When you learn how to trade on the stock market, there are several that you can trade to make money. You can buy shares, you can buy, growing stocks, you can buy dividend paying stocks, you can trade options. You have the advantage of making money while stock market is going up. You have the advantage of making money while the stock market is going down. You can do credit spreads. You can do debit spreads. You have all these options that you can trade to make money in the stock market. So I say, the stock market is a place where you can have several streams of income just by trading only on the stock markets. One of the advantages of trading on the stock market is the fact that, the stock market has been there. Nobody will sack you from the stock market. Nobody will give you a termination letter whilst you are trading on the stock market. Nobody is going to query you on the stock market. On the stock market, you are your own boss. And that is why you need to learn the game. That is why you need to master the game. That is why you need to find a way of seeing how you can be somebody who can get into the market, and whether you are trading this strategy or that strategy, you are able to execute your strategy and come up with money no matter the condition of the market. Of course, there are times that we miss it. There are times that we are unable to make money depending on the kind of strategy that we have put in place, the plan that we are working with. But in all said and done, as for the stock market as a whole, it gives an advantage to everybody to make money no matter what happens. And that is why I always say, anybody can trade on the stock market. And that is why I have also said the last video, I made the video to say that we need to have an account where we get some little monies in that account to support our trading account, because at every point in time on the stock market, there's something you can take advantage of. So when you're wondering why stock options, when you can buy shares, you can get dividends, you can buy growth stocks, you can buy, so many things. This is the reason, this is the benefit of trading options. Why? Because with this type of strategy, you really do have an option to make money no matter what happens on the stock market. I know you are excited about that one. And for options trading, we have so many ways, there are so many things that come into it, and you would like to really look at studying and then following, people who have been successful trading options, and you really want to learn from them. You want to know the strategies you can execute at any point in time. You want to know how to read, the charts. You want to know how to look at your indicators. You want to know how to combine indicators, because these are the ways that you can look at it and then put your strategy together. You have to be able to look at risk management, and you put all these ones together to build a winning strategy for yourself to execute on your options contracts. Now, when you are sure of your strategy, another benefit and biggest advantage, I should say, another big advantage of trading options is the fact that in options trading, we buy contracts. I have always said that. So if you are buying a contract, you can buy as many contracts as you want. So in that case, you are not necessarily having to wait for your options price to maybe, like, you want to make about 20-30%. If you buy contracts that is about like 10, 20, 30, and let's say your options price moves in your favor 10%, that means that you have made that money times 10 because you have bought 10 contracts. So in that case, you come out and then you have made enough money, even though you have just made a little percentage. So you see the advantage of trading options. There are several that you can gain. So in this case, you come out of the market, you have made your money, and then, you have time. And within a very small period of time, you have made your money, and then you can go and invest your time into doing other businesses. Now, you can tell me, or you will have to let me know why, if you adopt this strategy and adopt it very, very well executed, why you shouldn't be profitable trading options. For those who are new to the channel, I keep on saying that this is a place we want to execute our trades using certain strategies, certain tricks, and certain tips that we can identify winning trades that we execute and make our money, and we are off the market. Right. So if you like to be part of this, we are building, a way to becoming rich, retiring rich and retiring young. And if you want to be part of that, we have a challenge already going on where we're driving 1,000 to 10,000 in a space of 12 months. And then we take that 10,000 to 25,000 in a space of another 12 months to make our account in a way that we can trade unlimited on the stock market. Think about it. If you have a $25,000 account, trading account, you can execute the number of trades that you want to execute. So if you are trading options, you could decide that I want to do 3 trades a day, and that gives you three trades a day times 7. So if you were making $100 per trade, then that gives you 300 a day times the 5 days. That gives you how much? That's $1,500. And in a month, you would have made how much? Like $6,000. Trading options can never, be underestimated, because the benefits with trading options is, a lot. You can trade options and further invest into other instruments that can give you yields of payment that can further propel you to your retiring rich and retiring young. For those who have been new, like I said, subscribe to the channel. And even if you don't want to subscribe, I am happy that you have been here today to listen to this video. And then you can leave your comments and then your questions, and I'll be glad to answer them. For the wealth builders who have been building this together with me, I want to say that stick around, continue to like and continue to leave your comments, and I'll be glad to answer them. Once again, until we meet on the next video where we are still exploring ways of making money trading on the stock market, it is bye for now.
Start with nothing, start today. Learn to hustle, find a way. Brick by brick you build it right. From the morning through the night. Dreams are growing step by step. Every fall a future pep.